to the vlog. Welcome. Time now is 7:15, but it's still dark and it's so windy today. It is so windy and it's raining. Yeah, abantwana baya esikolweni, the kids went to school. Yeah, my husband is is the one who does the dropping and do the picking ups. I woke up to prepare a lunch and breakfast, so before they leave. So I'm tidying up the kitchen. Then I'm gonna clean. Today it's like I'm gonna clean. I changed my bedding on Saturday. This Saturday I changed the bedding. No, Saturday, Sunday. Friday. Wow, Friday I did change my sheets, my bedding. At least my bedding is clean. I'm not gonna change it. And I did the laundry for Friday and Saturday. Like we did the laundry, but we still have a laundry that needs to be done this week. I was gonna do it today, but the weather is not giving. So yeah, it's black. Yeah, it's starting to get lighter and lighter. We all know that in Cape Town, in winter, we're still in winter. I would say winter, spring. Are we approaching spring? Yeah, spring, winter, spring, but we're still in winter. So yeah, I can't do that, guys. I'm gonna clean today. I'll be cleaning the house, and that's about that. That's about that. Yesterday we didn't do anything much. We were at home, chilling at home. Saturday we went to watch Lunathi. He was playing, and they also had a tournament, soccer tournament. So we were there for almost. I was there from 12 till 2 o'clock. I was there at the soccer fields. I came back, and then I went to Checkers to do some little bit of grocery and stuff like that, and then we came back home. That's what I didn't even cook it on Sunday. I cooked yesterday. I made Sunday meal. Made a curry, rice, with rice and veggies. So yeah, you guys, it's pajama. This is yeah, I can't do that, guys. I washed my hair yesterday. But I don't know why how's the lane. It was that time how's the lane, but I washed the hair yesterday. Washed it, treated, did the treatment and everything. You know how Afro is. Yes, so you need to take care of the Afro. Sometimes I just wish, but does it just relaxes really, because the relaxed hair is as simple as just moisturize your hair, then use bopel and that's it. You're good to go. Afro moshe wazihlamba ungazi braid. If you wash them and then don't braid them, you wake up tomorrow zibambe zibuhlungu. So you have to do something. Like if you wash them, you treat them and moisturize and put treatment and stuff like that. After that, you need to maybe Wednesday twist so that your hair tomorrow when you wake up, you don't have to struggle. But yeah, one water. My bottle is downstairs. I want water. So I'll catch you guys later. Bye.
That's my son now. Who's gonna take it?
And it's against my son.
Is it? That's interesting. I'm taking a video. If you wanted me to send it.
Yes.
Hey, Lunathi! Nice one.
Sure. Well done.
Fantastic.
It's time for us to go home. Yeah. I need to go first. I need to go to Checkers. We ran out of coffee. We don't have coffee at home like a bean. I am craving for Isana is addictive. Bean coffee. It's like I had coffee in this place, but the coffee is not as strong as I wish it was. Because we were not able to do coffee because we ran out of coffee beans, and my husband he didn't tell me that we ran out of, because I've asked him, because he's the one who's making coffee at home. I asked him, should we buy coffee? And no, it's still fine. And I know I should have checked, but anyway, we're gonna have to go buy coffee. I need coffee. I think when we got home, I'm gonna ask him to make me a cappuccino, a proper cappuccino. Cause what? I am craving for that. We're waiting for burgers now. He ordered burgers for us in advance, so they are making burgers for us. So we're gonna fetch the burgers, then go home, and then I think we're gonna eat at home. But I'm gonna start Checkers first. Checkers, and then because Checkers is on our way home. So yeah, I'm gonna buy I think coffee. We ran out. There's no bread, coffee, bread, jam. Yeah. We'll catch you guys later. Bye. Hi guys. Yeah, Tanda again, and welcome back to my vlog. Welcome back to my channel. I am back home. I didn't make it up because of lighting. I am back home. I'm gonna put myself in, and wanted to unbox. I got this yesterday. Then I got yesterday from Amazon. I've got 2 of the toothpaste, and then 2 the side. Let's have food, and then I got 1 for myself. this time. I love this body lotion. I love it. And then I wanted this shampoo. I wanted shampoo, but I bought a conditioner. But it's okay. I'm going to do some. I wanted shampoo, but I got this conditioner, which is fine. I'll just buy another shampoo. Let me drink something. I was drinking this yesterday. Just unwind. We had a long day today. We had a long day. And then from soccer, we came back from soccer. Then I went to Checkers. I went there to buy some 4 things, and then I came back buying a lot of stuff that I don't you know in grocery, but I ended up buying a lot of stuff. But okay, it's not a waste. Because when fully coffee and then coffee was a ground coffee. I wanted ground coffee, and then I wanted jam because we were running out of jam. Made up and then bread, which I bought, and then multivitamins. And also multivitamins and Panado, which we ran out of the Panado, which I got, and more stuff. You can't, when you have kids and manga teaching about, you can't. Every day you buy food, like most of the time, I would say 80% of the time, money goes to food. Because if you don't buy food, you order some stuff, especially on the weekends, order some stuff, because you'll be cooking from Monday to Friday. So sometimes you want to order pizza, just like today when I order pizza, because I am not going to cook. I am not going to be cooking. I'll be cooking tomorrow. So I wanted to take time and do the unboxing. And also I haven't done the unboxing. Here's the perfume. I still got the perfumes. I'll make the video separately so that I can give you. It's not a paid partnership, so that I can give you reviews and then plug you guys with perfumes that are very reasonable, especially if you're ready to buy a because we can't be buying the perfume as expensive, whereas we can get the perfumes the same scent, the same that is 3 times lower. So guys, I will do it. I think tomorrow. Let me do it tomorrow. I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Bye. Cheers. Hi guys, let me put it here. Elevate. Oh, so the pizza is here. We got something meaty pizza, and then we've got barbecue rib. So we are having a pizza night today, and it's so nice. It is so It is so nice and very meaty. I just rinsed my face and cleansed it. So took the makeup off and the wig. Here I am. I'm gonna eat and then go downstairs when I'm done and relax in my bed. I will catch you guys later. Bye. Already, good morning guys, good morning and welcome to my vlog. Welcome to my vloggy. Today is Friday. Just finishing eat. I made myself coffee. It's still the morning. And yesterday, let me show you, I received the dual cereal dispenser, in the color white. So then the packaging was not cute at all. I didn't do the unboxing because the packaging was not cute at all. It was so it can't go to the I'm sure be safe but we ordered this at Macro online on Saturday. So they told us it's gonna take us 5 days, which is from Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. I can't see by the weekend. We didn't count the weekend. We're gonna count because by the time we mustn't count the weekend. We will count Monday because it's delivery company. They don't work on weekends, most of them. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Saifumana, they came and delivered it. It was expensive. A store. It was 400. Was it 400 or 400 and something? I don't remember. But online it was 230 something. Plus, I think, including delivery because we didn't order anything. But if free delivery, you get free delivery when you order. It was the 500 and more. You get free. But since this land and we were already there, we already bought some stuff from Macro, so we paid 50 rand for delivery. So in total it was. But in total it was 370 something, but if I'm not mistaken, 380, I'm not sure. So there I got it yesterday and then I had to wash it in the Ivasa. I think now Yomile. So this is where let me show you about this here. Okay, we put it there. So I'm gonna design. Then so fuck cereal. Then I'll do if guys the petroleum is dying. So
No, never mind, fine.
Then go to
Oh, that looks nice. Look at that.
Hi guys, it's still Friday. Welcome back to my vlog. Welcome. It's been few hours. It's been few hours later. Time now. It's 25 to 4. You know, I'm exercise. I think around about 9, 10ish. Yeah. Then I took a bath, and then I cleaned the house. Then I decanted the Fruit Loops, those Fruit Loops, yes, Fruit Loops, and also the cornflakes there to show you how is the cereal thingy gonna look. And then after, in the meantime, there's motion today. So if you are guys, you know, les ziyakhula bendizikhulekile, so ziyaphuma. There's umngqusho with I'm gonna make umngqusho with a stew. I'm not gonna show you guys. I'm sorry, I'm not gonna show you. But I'm making umngqusho and stew for supper today. I was gonna make bagels. A bagel Friday, but the weather is just changed. Yeah, changed. It became gloomy and coldish. I was like, oh, might as well dance umngqusho. It's been a long time since umngqusho. So okay, there's umngqusho rather. So yeah, there's umngqusho. I'm making some and stew for supper, but I am not gonna show you guys that. But I might show you the plate. And also, I promise you to do I'll do perfume, my perfumes. Put the even perfumes that I bought online from Eden. It's Eden or Eden. I'm not sure about pronunciation and Olela. So I wanna do it today so that I can put that aside. I'll do it now. Hi guys, welcome back. Welcome to my channel. I just want to do a unboxing for those 2, 3 guys. Okay, I bought this a few weeks ago. I am not sponsored. I heard about this perfume on TikTok babies, TikTok honeys. They are advertising. It's AS Eden perfume, and bayazincoma baziyahlala, baby. Yeah, they are vouched, but they are very reasonable, I must say so myself. They're very reasonable, they're not pricey. This one, it's 50 ml. The calendar is 50 ml zone, 2 50 ml, and then the one is 30 ml. I wanted to check first before doing also. I wanted to buy as in but I am so far so good. This one, it's new. They call it new. If you must know. If you know must knowing or Esther Lauder, there's a perfume knowing. Let me double check. It was inspired by that perfume. Internet is still down. Did you later in? That leg is off. We have a problem with internet. Sana app engine. I don't know. Since yesterday. Since yesterday, you see, but no, okay. Let me not dwell because this is inspired by knowing by Estelado. You guys can correct me if I'm wrong. My internet is not giving. This perfume. It is so very mature. You can say matured. I like it. It's like a fresh, like when when you just bathe yourself with him. It's like it gives when you just come out from the shower, you just had a long shower, like a shower, not a bath, a shower. It gives me that vibe. It's very, 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 very. I like to spray it on my skin because when you spray perfume with paper in that white paper, it doesn't. If perfume so that izo skin, izo settlisha, izo mixer with like salt, and then it's gonna remember that it perfumes, guys. Perfume, they don't smell the same. I don't know if it makes sense. If someone has this perfume and we are it might be similar because of the body. Your body has odor. Yeah, it's got an odor. It's not a bad odor. It's a body odor. Like odor. Yeah, say like yeah. And because we sweat, we have everything. Yeah. So a perfume, when you're wearing a perfume, normally it's gonna settle in umzimba wako, but it's not gonna give what iniga on your own. I don't know if it makes sense. But anyway, I like this one. It's very mature. It's a mature scent. It's the end I kept now. As perfumes were 3, I think they were less than 600. So 3, all 3 of them. They were running a special at the time. So I don't know my team. And then in the cat again, this one elegant is giving elegant is giving sweet floral, very playful, sweet. I will say sweet. I keep on saying sweet. Yes, the sweet that smells like a rose. There's I think rose petal that it gives the summer. This is a summer. I would say this is a summer fragrance. This one, it's more like your autumn winter one. Autumn winter fragrance. Oh, this is nice. They're both nice. This one, it has in a spice. Got a spice in it, like a spice. There's a spice in that. It's like, it smells like a soap. This one smells like a soap, but the more it actually amber, the more it changes. Oh, look at that! I just saw a butterfly. The more it actually amber, the more it changes. Yes, a cliche. And this one smells sweet, summery scent. Yeah, all of that fun stuff. And then the last one, oh, glamour. This one was, I'm not sure about Lena, but now it's giving. But this one is so strong. It's also sweet, very nice. It's very nice, very sweet, very nice. Yabona kele ingakile lenzawo sayibe kanjani, but it's a sweet. You can pair them. You can also pair them, those two together, because that is giving. It's giving something. They are similar but not similar, but this one is giving floral, also nice, giving floral, summer, don't really flower like your jasmine. Yes, those jasmine, you know, those jasmine flowers and stuff like that. It's giving that. This one, it's giving that. So now you're very nice, very greeny. It's giving. It's very nice. They're not those two. You can pair them though. You can pair those two. I'll vouch. You can pair those two, and yeah, you can pair them. So yeah, banazo ke apparently they do have the cream, like a body cream, yongelando, and then they gave me how nice of them, Dear Lunathi and Touch of Timeless Beauty EP, which is cute. This is a cute message. I like it. I like it. Make me feel like a VIP. A VIP makes me feel special. Zimanja's perfume, and they last. Have I tried them? Yes, I did. I tried this one. It lasts. I don't know whether it's my skin or they last. And also I tried this one. Yes, I did. I tried it before, and also this one before I did a little video, and then as trailer. Then I try them, and I like them. I mean, as in they don't do that, you know, strong. They don't have that that strong perfume scent, that strong scent. Like I can see. I think you guys, you can they do have you can search them. They do on Facebook. You can search them on Facebook, TikTok, and also on Instagram. It's Aiden Perfume. Aiden Perfume me.za, or search Aiden or search Aiden Perfume. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So Uzi Jongele, which one would you love? Because they've got a lot of they've got varieties. They've got a variety, but this one it's 50 mils. Those two are 50, and this one is 30 mil. So I got 2 50 mils and then 1 30 mil. I think baba 100 mil. So guys, that was it. That's it. Let me go and do my Baba Nazo. They do have special now and then. They do specials, and Baba Nazo they advertise them. So maybe you wanna check special. Sorry, maybe you wanna check where they have special, or